In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise to Allah. Once again, Rabbar Foundation has demonstrated its unwavering commitment to serving humanity. By establishing Drinking Water and Sanitation Project Unit number 237 in Asim Nagar, Nuh, Mewat, Haryana, the foundation has laid the foundation for a new life for the region's underprivileged and struggling people. This is not just a water project, it is a means to restore dignity and provide comfort to people's lives. It is a blessing for those who have been deprived of clean drinking water, those who were forced to live in unsanitary and unhealthy conditions. Key features of this exceptional project: deep borewell ensuring access to clean and fresh drinking water for every resident. 3 modern toilets or bathrooms providing better hygiene and health facilities. Septic tank ensuring proper waste disposal and disease prevention. 5 water taps or 2 wash basins making water easily accessible to everyone. Electricity or lighting offering convenience even in dark hours. Large storage water tank ensuring continuous water supply without shortages. Mewat region struggling with poverty and backwardness. Nuh Mewat is among the most underdeveloped regions of India. It is a place where employment opportunities are scarce, healthcare facilities are inadequate, and education remains a distant dream. The people here live in extreme poverty, with hunger and thirst looming over their homes. The most pressing issue: lack of access to clean drinking water. While the rest of the world is advancing, the villagers of Mewat remain trapped in struggle. Children fall ill due to contaminated water, women walk miles carrying water pots on their heads, and the elderly suffer from dehydration. But Rabbar Foundation's initiative has brought hope and relief to this forgotten land. Rabbar Foundation, a symbol of hope, mercy, and humanity. Rabbar Foundation is not just an organization, it is a beacon of hope. With its selfless dedication and tireless efforts, it has listened to the cries of the helpless and paved the way for a better future for Mewat's impoverished people. A special prayer for the generous donors. We pray to the Almighty for all those who contributed to this noble cause. O Allah, bless the hands that donated for this righteous cause and make them shine on the day of judgment. Grant boundless blessings in the wealth of those who spent their hard-earned money in your path. Illuminate the hereafter of those who supported this project and make their graves gardens of paradise. Elevate the ranks of every individual involved in this initiative in both this world and the next. O Allah, grant Rabbar Foundation continuous success, keep it thriving until the day of judgment, and enable it to serve every poor and needy soul. Support Rabbar Foundation, secure your hereafter. Dear brothers and sisters, if you wish to keep this chain of blessings alive, step forward and be a part of this noble mission. Even a small donation can become a lifeline for someone in need. What you give in this world will be returned to you manifold in the hereafter. Remember, every penny given in Allah's path multiplies 100-fold. Support Rabbar Foundation and keep us in your prayers. May Allah grant us all the ability to excel in good deeds. Ameen.
हाँ, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। देखो जी, ये लैट्रिन बाथरूम जो बनी है बहुत अच्छी बनी है। यहाँ पानी भी नहीं था, हमको पानी की भी सुविधा होगी। और हम जंगल में लैट्रिन करने के लिए जाते थे, हमको लैट्रिन का बहुत अच्छा आराम हो गया। और जो है हमारे यहाँ और भी लैट्रिन बाथरूम बननी चाहिए और बड़े बूढ़ान लोग घर भी बनना चाहिए। कि हमें बहुत अच्छा काम करा है और जो अच्छा लगता है हमें, और भी ये काम होना चाहिए।